Queues. A queue is a data structure where we add elements at the back and remove elements from the front. In that way, a queue is like waiting in line. The first one to be added to the queue will be the first one to be removed from the queue. This is also called FIFO, first in first out data structure. Queues are common in many applications. For example, when we read a book from a file, it would be natural to store the words in a queue so that when we are finished reading the file, the words are in the order they appear in the book. Another common example are buffers for network communication that temporarily store packets of data arriving on a network port. We want to process them in the order that they arrive. So, front of the queue. Let's assume we are waiting in a line at the reservation desk in the airport. The first co- it's a first come first serve. The first person in the line will get services and he will move out. It means that person will be deleted. After that, second person will move front and he will get services, right? So it's like first come first serve services. Usually when you go to any place, anywhere. So here we have two pointers, front pointer and rear pointer. Front pointer pointing to the first element of the queue and rear pointer which points to the last element of the queue. Whenever the objects are moving, the front and rear pointers move accordingly. The, the abstract operations on a queue are bool queue empty. If check if queue is empty. Queue new. Create new empty queue. Void enqueue. Add item at the back. String dequeue. Remove item from the back. The queue implementation. These are the operations. Bool queue empty. Check if queue is empty. Queue new. Create new empty queue. Void enqueue. Add item at at the last. String dequeue. Remove item from the first. Implementation. For this, we will require an array, say queue of some predefined value size. Also, to indicate front and end, we are using two variables, front and end. Implementation for each method is listed in a code. This is the algorithm to implement a queue with an array.